And also new this morning, Sentara Medical Group is using new AI technology to assist with a nationwide shortage of physicians.
The AI is just one step it is taking to help alleviate healthcare providers' workload. Providers can now spend hours on patient notes each day on a software called DAX Copilot. The system is aimed to make the workload more manageable.
It records doctor-patient conversations, creating a clinical note in seconds. Family doctor David Wallace says it's accurate about 95% of the time and will save time for documentation, allowing more time for patients.
I have not had any patient to date that was not receptive to it. And as I've said before to people, it kind of brings back the humanistic aspect to the interview. Back in the day, you know, or with other providers, you might have to sit here and type, or you're sitting in the exam room typing, talking to the patient, and then looking back at the computer. Now I can walk in, put the phone down, turn my entire attention to the patient.
Later this morning, Sentara will be live at our digital desk to talk more about the AI tool. You can tune in at 11 o'clock this morning on wavy.com to hear how it's helping doctors here in Hampton Roads.